Hello, Bobcats here from Revolution Acoustics at InfoComm 2026. We have our SSP6 Multiducer Transducer. This very small package generates incredibly large sound into all kinds of environments and applications, from residential, corporate, retail. The list goes on and on and on. What this SSP6 transducer does, it is adhere to the backside of a material, ceiling, a wall, a piece of furniture. In other words, that would be drywall, wood, sometimes glass. And as we see here in the booth, our booth walls are made out of MDF. Could be drywall, but we drive them and they are actually transformed into high fidelity speakers. Very big sound. It's like having a piano in a concert hall. You can be very close and not be acoustically scalded, but it's going to fill the entire concert hall as well. Very simple to install, very simple to use, and generates exactly what everyone wants for every installation, which is perfect frequency response and sound pressure everywhere. Big bubbles of sound, just like that piano in the concert hall. For more, please contact our website. Jump onto our website, revolutionacoustics.com. And if you have any questions, we can be contacted through that website as well.